What's going on, everybody? The weekend of August 23rd through 25th is the kickoff of the IFBB Nordic Academy's personal trainer course. We're talking 60 hours of pre-recorded presentations by the top level researchers and practitioners in the field, and you'll be able to earn 135 academic credit hours, and there will be over 800 pages of reference material that you can use for the benefit of yourself and your clientele. And also, there's going to be a full lineup of instructors who are at the top of their game professionally and academically. And I'm going to be one of the instructors delivering one of the modules. And the entire course covers comprehensively everything that you need to know about changing the body, about improving body composition, gaining muscle, losing fat, recomposition, improving athletic performance, and much more. So make sure that you register for this. The link is in the profile of the IFBB Nordic Academy, and make sure you follow them too. And I want to give a big shout out to my friend Ville Isola, who is the director of the IFBB Nordic Academy, doing such an amazing job putting this together.